All eyes are on the Toronto office market as we move into 2016, and we've seen the year begin with a lot of question marks. Occupiers and investors, everybody wants to know what lies ahead before making decisions which are directly tied to business objectives and long-term success. Here's what we know. Toronto's downtown remains in the midst of an historic building boom. A drive along the Gardiner says it all. It's a canyon of towers, and cranes are still a common sight. But it's worth repeating. Since 2009, 6.3 million square feet of office space has opened in our downtown, and another 4.7 million square feet is expected by 2019. That makes our downtown one of North America's fastest growing office markets. And even with this staggering growth, the overall vacancy is still 4.6%, a rock bottom low. Yes, 2015 was another strong year, and we finished on a high note. So what's going on? The fight for talent continues to see companies moving into central markets within easy reach of skilled workers. And as the downtown population grows, so too does the demand for office space and other amenities. But we all see the flashing yellow lights. The oil and commodity rout, an anemic Canadian dollar, a real slowdown in China, equity market declines, there are lots of warning signs, and just as many views as to depth and length. Yet on the flip side, interest rates remained at historic lows, and our biggest trading partner by far, the US, is doing just fine. This drives demand for our low-dollar goods and services, which is great for central Canada. And once again, Toronto is expected to outperform both national and provincial economies. Here's my take. I'm somewhat cautious. However, we expect strong demand across sectors at least into the third quarter of this year. Yes, the activity we see now relates to decisions made under different economic circumstances, so there may be a pause later this year as moves are completed and we get a clear picture of the space left behind. That said, there remains substantial expansionary momentum in the marketplace. Bottom line, Toronto is a dynamic, global city. We may not be entirely sheltered from broader economic shocks, but our business diversity, growing population, connectivity to major world markets, and so much more give this city a powerful foundation and a bright future.